is Sweekruthi. My father's name is Palla Raju. I am from 5th A. I am 9 years old. So now I am going to make crispy potato tacos. So let's get started. So first the ingredients are, we need some maida, some cheese, some aloo, some potatoes, some coriander and some grinded chili, onions, fried onions. This is safe. So now let's start our recipe. So first we are going to add our maida. Oh no. And now we have to add some salt. So now we have to add baking powder. 3 pinches of baking powder. So now we have to add some oil. And now we have to add some water. Now let's mix it. And now we have to mix it. Mix really well. Make it like a mold. Let's keep this 5 minutes aside. And now it's time to make some stuff inside the taco. First, we need to add some oil. And now we have to add the potatoes. Let's add some fried onions. And now we have to add red chili and coriander. And now mix it. Now let's keep this aside. Now let's roll these. Let's heat it on the pan. Let's keep our chapati. And now we are going to decorate our chapatis. First, we need to take ketchup, And now we need to add cheese. And now we have to add our stuffing. And now we have to fold this. Roast this taco with ghee. Roast the tacos both sides. So, our tasty potato crunchy tacos are ready. So, now I am going to taste the tacos. This tastes so good. So, thank you for watching. Bye.